Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into beauty products and give you the honest truth. If you're tired of styling products that leave your hair stiff and lifeless, then today's review is definitely for you. We're talking about the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Repair and Strengthen Edge Glaze. This product promises to provide a soft hold, boost shine, and nourish your hair, all while giving you that natural, effortless look we all crave. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss a review. Let's get into it. Now, let's talk about what this styling lotion actually brings to the table. The Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Repair and Strengthen Edge Glaze comes in a 2-ounce bottle and is all about versatility. Whether you have natural curls or you're aiming for a sleek, polished look, this styling lotion is designed to work for all hair types. It promises a soft hold that keeps your style in place while still allowing flexibility and movement, so your hair doesn't feel crunchy or heavy. What's more, it's infused with sage and lychee extracts. These are power-packed ingredients that not only help to nourish and repair your hair, but they also give it a natural shine and luster. Your hair will look healthy, radiant, and full of life, no matter how you style it. Plus, with Biotin in the mix, this lotion also supports hair strengthening and growth, something we can all appreciate, especially for those of us looking to keep our locks in tip-top shape. I've been using this lotion in my own routine, and I have to say, the ease of use is a huge plus. It's lightweight and smooth, and applying it is a breeze. Whether I'm defining my curls or smoothing out my edges, this styling lotion delivers exactly as promised. My hair feels nourished and soft, and I love that there's no crunchiness or product buildup. It has a light, fresh scent that isn't overpowering, which is always a win in my book. Now, every product has its pros and cons, so let's break it down. On the plus side, the formula is incredibly gentle. No sulfates, parabens, or artificial chemicals. This makes it a great option for daily use without worrying about damaging your hair over time. It's also super versatile, so you don't have to worry about buying separate products for different looks. I also noticed that my hair had this beautiful shine without feeling weighed down. On the flip side, the soft hold might not be enough if you're looking for something that will really lock down a super structured or elaborate style. For more intricate updos or slick back looks, you might need to layer it with a stronger product. That being said, for everyday use, this lotion does exactly what it promises. In terms of value for money, this product is priced quite reasonably, especially for the benefits it offers. You're getting a blend of natural botanicals, including sage, lychee, and biotin, in a single product. Definitely worth considering if you're after a gentle and nourishing styling lotion that won't break the bank. When comparing it to other edge glazes or styling lotions on the market, many of them are either too heavy or full of synthetic chemicals that can harm your hair in the long run. This product stands out because it combines natural ingredients that actually benefit your hair's health, rather than just giving you a temporary style. As for build quality, the packaging is sturdy and user-friendly, and I haven't had any issues with the product spilling or being difficult to apply. The lotion is easy to distribute evenly through your hair, and I've found that a little goes a long way. Let me pause here and ask you, is this review helping you decide if this product is right for you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this honest review too. And if you're itching to try it out, the link is in the comments. When it comes to customer support, I haven't had direct interaction with the brand myself, but based on their product reputation, Blaq has a great track record for addressing any customer inquiries quickly. If anything ever goes wrong, it looks like they have a reliable team on hand to help. Now, if you're looking for alternatives or cheaper options, there are some great styling lotions out there. However, considering the natural ingredients and how gentle this product is on your hair, I believe the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Edge Glaze is well worth the investment. If you're after something a little more budget-friendly, some drugstore options might do the job, but they often don't offer the same level of nourishment and shine that this one does. So does the Blaq Luxury Sage and Lychee Repair and Strengthen Edge Glaze live up to its claims? Absolutely. This product does what it says, providing a natural, soft hold while nourishing your hair with incredible botanicals. I'd recommend it to anyone looking for an everyday styling lotion that gives you shine, strength, and manageability without the harsh chemicals. Thanks so much for watching. If you've tried this product or anything similar, drop a comment below and share your experience. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.